Hey guys, it's Sherry from Scrapbooking.Life, and today we're here to reveal our exclusive crop in a box, Staycation. We're bringing it to you early because Jim Cantore may be coming into town. So we did this one all in honor of him. I'm wearing my blue poncho just so I fit into the weather.com website here in case they decide to air our video later, me and my rubber ducks. Okay, so inside your cool box, we've got everything you'll need to actually staycay at home this weekend. We have your beautiful blue poncho so that you can fit right in, as well as some ramen noodles, because those are just the best snack in the world when there's no power and water. Lemonade, for you lemonade snobs, we provided you pink lemonade, so that's always fun. Lemon candle, because when life gives you lemons, we're just going to make lemonade out of it. So we've got a cute little cup here with lemons on it as well. When you open it is your paint to make this great little photo clip watermelon from Foundations Decor. So all your paper, your paint, between these two containers, everything you need is in there to make that for you. Cute little napkin, and of course your own very own rubber duck, and just in case you need it, your own blue tarp. Okay, and then inside you've also got 7 great make and takes. They're all 2-page layouts, as well as your embellishments bag. So that's everything there. Y'all don't tell Kelly what's in the box. I think she's at work, so she can't watch it right now. I'm gonna throw all of this back in and then show you what those make and takes look like, and we'll talk about this Foundations Decor watermelon as well. Oh, Kelly, I think you got an extra rubber duck. There we go. Okay, so here are make and takes, and here are watermelons. So our watermelon, you'll notice this is paper here on the front. Everything else is painted, and then you put the ribbon on top. So when you're painting, just make sure you don't fill up that hole so that your picture holder will go inside of it. And then this is just tied around it, okay? Super simple. You're gonna put your lightest color paint on first, and then we used a sponge to use the other 2 color greens that are in there. So you've got 3 greens and red and black paint in order to create that. If you have any questions or need help, just give us a call. Okay, so our make and takes look just like this. This is 1A and B, and this is all about your staycation. So this is just really fun paper. It's from Echo Park, 2A and B, 3A and B. It's called Good Day Sunshine, forgot to say that. 4A and B, 5A and B, and we have given you plenty of extra paper to make your own photo mats as well. 6A and B, and 7. So if you have not purchased your official Jim Cantore Staycation Crop in a Box, you can do so still at Scrapbooking.Life. Just visit us online. It's our featured product on the main page. Thanks, and have a great day.